You're still against eating whale? Prologue. The world population is forecast to reach 9 billion people by 2050. Arable land will continue to shrink, while meat consumption will keep rising. Even now, crop production for feeding livestock is seeing its limits. Yet the ocean, covering 3/4 of the planet, is an essential source of food and protein. Whaling plays an effective role in solving this problem. We should put whales, the ocean, and the food problem in perspective. Moratorium. Overfishing of whales for fuel in the early 20th century led to large falls in the number of big whales, such as the blue whale. Then the moratorium was introduced in 1986. It stopped the commercial hunting of all whales, including those that hadn't been hunted excessively. Commercial whaling is still yet to resume. Whales are now an abundant marine resource, and they're causing two problems. Marine resources are decreasing. Are you still against it? Since the moratorium was introduced, whales began to increase at a rate of 4% a year, some even more, consuming 3 to 5 times the marine resources humans do, according to some estimates. At this rate, these marine resources, which humans could consume, will diminish quickly. It's not just a problem for humans, but one for the whole marine ecosystem. In particular, there are now too many baleen whales, which are damaging the balance of the marine food chain. There's competition among whales. Are you still against it? Here's another problem. The number of large whales, such as blue whales, has plummeted due to overfishing. As a result, smaller whales, which eat the same food but reproduce more quickly, have increased greatly. What does this mean? These are large blue whales. These are smaller whales, faster and larger in number. The moratorium was meant to protect all, but it has only served to make things harder for those that needed it. One way of correcting the marine ecosystem and preserving the balance among whales is moderately thinning them out. Research whaling provides important information in resolving the planet's food problem, considering the balance of the ecosystem. We should put whales, the ocean, and the food problem in perspective. You're still against eating whale?